Good one, good one. Woo! He just couldn't get up. Hey, you go ahead and tell her again about second gear. Yeah. She ain't got that yet.
All she knows what a damn gas is.
Oh, Lordy. Watch out, you don't know where the brakes are either. He's next. He's next.
You did a good job, baby. Excellent.
It's all the fun.
Good job, Jamie.
They ain't never gonna believe what's
Did it hurt?
They ain't gonna believe it.
Who?
Did
It hurt. Yeah, you ain't got a shirt on. I know that had hurt.
You get it.
I got a little sand burn. That's all I had.
Yeah,